as well as in the packet form.
What's up guys, it's Vid, and today we're gonna be making Gfuel into gelatin. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the process that we're actually gonna be going through to get the Gfuel gelatin going. We're using Nox gelatin mix, which is going to be the base for every single one of the flavors that we're gonna be trying throughout this series. We have 19 flavors out of the very large collection of what Gfuel actually has. So we're gonna be trying all 19 of these throughout the entire series. So make sure, hit that notification button, hit that sub button if you are new, and smack that like button for more Gfuel content. So each one of the containers we're using are these cool little plastic containers. There's 2 fluid ounces in each one of these. We're gonna be filling them probably about to 1 to 1.5 ounces in each one. That's what we've measured out, and that's what we're gonna be having in each one of the Jello shots. Okay guys, so the first big step is that we're gonna be taking every single one of these gelatin packets, we're gonna be pouring them into a container, and we're gonna be putting them on the stove so that we can get this boiling so we can actually start making some Jello.
The sneeze, bruv.
What?
I got the sneeze.
You got a sneeze?
Hello?
What's up guys? So today we're gonna be trying the peach mango gelatin Gfuel. Gelatin version of Gfuel.
This is as well as in the packet form.
We got this in packet form because I don't have a tub of this one, but I got a packet of it.
2 spoons.
I got 2 spoons.
Wait,
too much?
Which one's my spoon?
That was yours. I had this one.
Nice.
I had the little thin one. All right, so, whoa, okay, peach rings. It smells like peach rings.
It does.
Smells like peach rings. I'm excited about that. Nick,
Sediment?
I am excited.
So,
there is sediment on this one.
I don't know if it's just the packet ones have sediment or no.
The packet ones seem to have, this is
a lot of sediment.
Mine's got
You can see, let's see if I can.
I got a thick layer of sediment, like it just went.
I don't know if you can see it, you can't. Well, boo-hoo.
These have a thick layer of sediment. They smell like peach rings. They smell exactly like the powder. I'm excited about this. Let's get right into it. Try not to get to the, oh God, I got a whole layer of the bottom. Wow.
That's good.
Yeah. Pleasantly surprised. Bottom on this one doesn't taste that bad. I ate the bottom. I touched the butt.
I'm trying to avoid the bottom. I ate the bottom, wasn't that bad?
No, it actually is. The bottom, because there's obviously the sediment's got a lot of the flavor in it. This was very flavorful, this one. If you're going to make this, if you're gonna make gelatin Gfuel, this is one you could go for. I would definitely say this is a good one if you're a fan of the peach mango. Put it in.
Now, I can't be certain, but I'm assuming that we mixed them all at the same.
So I was the one mixing all of them. I mixed these things. I knew, like, look, I'm gonna sound like a total nerd right now. I am a master at mixing Gfuel. I'm one of those people. If I taste sediment in my drink, I'm like, spit it out. I'm like, I gotta make a new one. I can't. I like mix the crap out of them. I've made it with milk. We're making it with Jello now. I'm getting pretty dang good at making this. All right. And let me tell you, I mixed the crap out of these. That's sediment from, like, I don't know where this came from, but like there was nothing left in the container when I was mixing it. Yeah. So if you guys want to check out other flavors we've done a lot of other flavors on the channel. You can go ahead and check them out. There's gonna be a link at the end of this video. You should go and definitely see those. They're really awesome. We've done a lot of good ones and a lot of really bad ones. And you want to know which ones you want to do because you're definitely gonna want to do this at some point. These are pretty delicious. This was delicious.
Yeah, I like this one.
I was a fan. This is almost kind of dessert-like. Like if you
and
put
I'm
some,
not a huge fan of peach or mango.
If you put some whipped cream on top.
Yeah.
We put some of the whipped cream on top. That's a good one. Someone's got to try that. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, smack that like button, hit that sub button if you are new, and turn on post notifications. You get more content on Gfuel and videos and other stuff that we do on this channel.
Cup flip.
Cup flip. Oh, it was almost there.
First try.
First try.
Wow.
See you guys later.